27th of November, Rabbi Furst, Mishna Berura.
I guess next. Good morning again. This is Rabbi Shlomo Furst here. Shiva Samanavshi. In our second share this morning, Mr. Brewer. We're learning Hilchos Netilas Yadayim, Siman Kuf Shalom base. I believe we are in Sif Tet, if I'm not mistaken. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Sonic bet.
Yeah. Let's see the Mechaber. Go ahead.
Okay, so it says Shofei, Shofek, sorry. Mayim Rishonim al Yadav, Tarikli Zaher Shalo Yishael al Yado Tzror o Kesam o Shum Davar Acher. Okay, let's do the first part. Let's see. Okay, so when one pours water the first time on his hands, he needs to be careful that I guess nothing remains on his hands. The tzror is a rock. Oh, kesam. I'm not sure what kesam is.
Kisum is like kisum might be like twigs. You might have gravel, pebbles. Let's say you're working. Let's say you're construction worker. So you might have pebbles and dust and twigs. Sawdust on your hands, right?
Oh, right. Yeah, sure.
So we're not manual workers, but if you're a carpenter, you might have all kinds of sawdust on your hands, right?
That's true. Well, even when I garden, I get dirt on my hands. So, yeah,
Yeah, right. So
you
you
have
have
to
to be
wash them
careful that
off.
these things are not in your hands.
Okay. Oshum davar acher, or any other thing. She'ein mayim mitaharin ela mayim she'al gabei hayad lo hamayim she'al hatzarur. Okay, so let's see. So she'ein, that there's no water. Let's see. Mitaharin, that purifies, except water agabe hayan, or the water on the back of the hand.
Literally like usually agave is usually on back, but on the hand, meaning the water
Oh, on the hand.
water which is intended to purify will only purify if it's the water directly onto the hand.
Okay, and not the water on the rock or pebbles, whatever they are. Okay. Ve'im shofech revi'it mayim ke'achad al yado
What,
eino
what,
tzarik. I'm sorry,
what is the word hatzrur?
a
Or is a
rock.
pebble, a
Oh,
rock, a
pebble.
pebble.
Oh, rock. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ve'im shofech revi'it mayim ke'achad al yado eino tzarik lizaher b'kach. Okay, so and if he pours a revi'it of water once on his hand, he doesn't need to be careful about this. Wow. Okay. That's interesting.
Okay, let's see the Mr. Brewer. That would be in Samich Gimel. No, Samich Base. Sorry, Samich Base.
Okay, I have to go back a page. Right. Okay. So let's see. Samic bet. Okay. Here it is. Sarikli Zaher. Okay, so he needs to be careful. The Eino, Ve'im Eino Nizhar. And I guess if he wasn't careful, let's see. V'nimtza achar hanetila shel hashniyim tzror o I guess Kesam. Okay, and he found after the washing of the second time, I guess. Wow, a rock or a pebble. Yadav Tameot, his hands are not clean. V'tzarik l'nagev v'lachzor v'litol rishonim u'shnayim kadin. And he needs to dry them, I guess. Negev, right. And repeat and wash one time and a second time, as I guess it's stated in the law.
Right. So
Okay.
if a person's not going to be careful, and and even after he's washed the second washing, the shnim, he found there some pebble or gravel or kisim, some twigs or sawdust on his hands. Their hands are tamei. He has to dry them. V'achzor, go back. Ve'lotul rishonim shnim kedin. He has to go back and wash all over again.
Wow. Yeah, well, I guess that makes sense. Okay.
Now he didn't mention any about the bracha. What if he had made a bracha already, right?
Oh yeah. The bracha l'tava.
Could be very well a bracha levatala, right?
Yeah.
Not clear. He didn't mention it, right?
No, he didn't. At least not yet.
Right.
Okay, so im heisir hatzror achar mayim arishonim v'shafach achar kach hashniyim o keshebehadata hashniyim hudchu hatzror v'kikesam. Okay. Yesh la'ayin b'davar de'ulai mehane. Okay, so let's see. Im chasir. But if the rock or pebble is missing after the first washing, first time, v'shafach achar kach hashniyim, and he poured afterwards a second washing. Not sure what it's in this parentheses. Let's see. Oh, shebehadachat.
Yeah, or with the hadakas, or with the, let's say again, however, he says, however, if he took off the pebble after the first washing and then he washed the second washing, or let's say with the dousing, the hadakas hashnim, let's say that with the second dousing, haduchu hatsura kisim, they washed away the tsura or the sawdust. Yesh la'ayin b'davar, there is to investigate this matter.
Oh, yesh la'ayin, okay.
Yesh la'ayin b'davar, there is to investigate this matter.
Ah. Okay, okay. Deulai mechane. Okay. Umatzati pri megadim. So I guess he found in the pri megadim gvevei urei hagaon, and the explanation of the gaon maharam. Beget al Mordechai, and then I guess
that's the name. The ulai mahani, it could help. Why? Umatzati, I found the prima garden. I found that's one of the commentaries on Shulchan Aruch. Hagoin Maram Benat ala Mordechai. That's a commentary on the Mordechai.
Okay. שמסתפקים בזה Ayin Sham. So what?
They're in doubts about this.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Samik Gimel. Yes. Shelo Yisha'er v'chule. Okay, so if something uh, is not left there, I guess. Aviaf kishehem rifuyim b'ra'oi leviat mayim tachtehem. Okay, so what if there is I'm not sure what rifuim is.
They're loose. Roughly is something which is loose, right?
Okay.
The expression rough would be a dime. It's loose in his hand. We
Oh,
came. We go or the remember the pasuk by Amalek. We came from Refidim. Refidim.
right, right.
There was a weakness. There was a weakness there. Rashi explains a weakness in Torah, but Refidim means something is loose or weak.
Okay.
So let's say these stones or let's say the sawdust are weakly attached. They're loosely attached.
Okay, it's loosely attached. V'ra'oi leviat mayim tachtehem. And it's, I guess, appropriate to have the water come underneath them.
Right. I mean, the water can penetrate beneath the pebble or the gravel or the sawdust.
Uh-huh. Okay. Deha pisul bazeh lav mishum chatzitza ela kidimifaresh. Okay, so that this I guess is pasul.
Right?
Lav
It's puzzle,
mishum.
even though that it's loosely attached, it's still puzzle. Why? Because it's not because of a chatzitza. Rather, it's going to be as he's going to explain.
Oh, that's interesting. So it's not a chatzitza.
Yeah, it's not a pasul because of a chatzitza, right?
Oh, okay. Okay, so some acknowledge Oshum Davar Acher or any other item. That's us. Okay, Ayin B'Magen Avraham Usha'arei Achronim Dafilu Davar Shebriato Min Hamayim. Okay, so let's see. According to Magen Avraham, Nisharei, and the rest of the Achronim, that even a thing, Shibriato, uh, Shibriato min hamayim. It's
That's it. So you take it right. Take a look at the Magen Avraham and the Shark Chronim. A few davar briyoso minamayim, even something which is grows in the water, right? Kagon
oh,
vichushim domim. These are, I think, like certain, I don't know, like algae, maybe red algae, or shelig or borod, where you have snow or ice.
nice. Wow. Kalo, okay. Kishalo, Riskan.
They will not come to paso. Those things will not come to paso.
Oh, okay, because it doesn't, okay, I see. Dinam Kitzror the Kesam. It's like the law of the rocks and the sawdust or pebble, the chips or whatever.
Right.
Okay. Omnam priha megadim mistapek inyan shelig uvarad shelo lifsol im nimtza ayado acher hanatila. So let's see. Omnam perhaps priha megadim mistapek.
Amnam in this case means however. Amnam, however.
Oh, however, the Pri Megadim Mistapek argues this point.
Right. He's not arguing, but he's in doubt about this point.
Oh,
About
doubt.
the
Okay,
about
concerning
the
the
no.
snow and the barad, the hail, Shalol Sol, uh, that they, I guess, would not make them puzzle if found his hand after the washing. Okay, actually, they're both water, Shelig and barad,
Right, right.
basically.
That could be part of the question. Is
Oh,
there
okay. So, okay, V'Ambiveyor halacha, and look at the Biur halacha, Masha katabnu bazeh, what is we wrote there. Vidah, and no, the Ledidan, the Ragilin, Litol, Beriviit, Al Kol Yad V'Yad, Late Lon, Nafkuta B'Chozeh Kedil Kameh. Okay, so I forget again.
calls there like Vida, you should know, according to us, the Regilin Litol Beravis, I'll call Yad Ra, that according to us, that we are accustomed to use a revis of water on each and every hand, right?
Right,
Um, so the lace lan nafkusa calls it. There's no relevant um, uh, applicable law in this case, as we're going to see later on. So
uh,
apparently, this is not going to be so important for us if we, in fact, wash with a revis. In which case, as we do, like we mentioned many times, our wash cups contain many revisim. So it's not going
right,
to be really so relevant to us.
right. Okay, very good. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank you.
We're up to Sonic K.
Glad.
So
Baruch
tomorrow,
Tiyeh,
right?
Lou.
Okay, very good. Okay, Mitzvah Shem, hope to see you tomorrow.
I mean.
And, very good. Have a good afternoon. And Mitzvah Shem, see you all tomorrow, Mitzvah Shem. Be well.
Okay.